We now return to another episode of Fix It with Fishy.
Hi there, and welcome to a special edition of Fix It with Fishy. On this episode, a friend of mine's house, their plumbing's not working. So, I'm going into the crawl space, and I'm going to show you that most home repairs can be fixed with something as simple as tape. Unfortunately, all I found was Gary's sex tape. But we're going to see if we can plug up a hole with it. So, now, some of these crawl spaces don't have a lot of room, and you will find that your ass might get a little stuck. But not to worry, because I found out that if you just stay in their house, they will find you. So, and what the fuck is this? Oh shit! It's Captain Elmore! What the fuck is this? Cobwebs and shit? Where the hell you been? What are you doing? What are you doing under here? What the fuck is this shit? Missing $32 reward. Cool. So, Captain Elmore.
Alright.
Wow, I wonder what the hell happened to you.
Where am I?
You're in the crawl space. How the fuck did you wind up in here?
I don't know.
I don't know. Well, I got news for you. After you disappeared, they gave me your time slot.
Oh.
So, welcome to Fix It with Fishy.
Oh boy.
I'm looking for a broken pipe.
It's over there.
It's where? This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
What happened to our good friend Uncle Fishy? Why is Captain Alma trapped underneath this man's house? Will their plumbing get fixed? Find out on the next episode of Fix It with Fishy.